Best Ways to Protect Your Hair, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to today's vlog, where we'll be discussing the best ways to protect your hair and keep it healthy and beautiful. Our hair is often subjected to various damaging factors, including heat styling, chemical treatments, environmental pollution, and more. In this video, we'll share valuable tips and techniques to help you maintain strong, shiny, and luscious locks. Let's dive in. 1. Gentle washing and proper conditioning. Start by washing your hair with a gentle shampoo that suits your hair type and scalp condition. Avoid using hot water, as it can strip the hair of its natural oils. Follow up with a conditioner to moisturize and nourish your strands, paying attention to the ends. Consider using a deep conditioning treatment once a week for added hydration. 2. Limit heat styling. Excessive use of heat styling tools like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can damage your hair. Whenever possible, air dry your hair or opt for the lowest heat setting on your styling tools. Prioritize heat protectant sprays or creams to create a barrier between your hair and the heat. 3. Protective hairstyles. Protective hairstyles like braids, buns, or updos can shield your hair from environmental damage and reduce friction caused by constant brushing or contact with clothing. These hairstyles also help to prevent tangles and breakage, allowing your hair to grow stronger. 4. Avoid overprocessing and chemical treatments. Excessive chemical treatments, such as coloring, perming, or relaxing, can weaken the hair and strip it of its natural moisture. Opt for professional treatments and consult with a trusted hairstylist to minimize damage. Consider natural alternatives or semi-permanent options to minimize harsh chemicals. 5. Regular trimming. Trimming your hair every 6-8 weeks helps to get rid of split ends and prevent further damage. Regular trims promote healthy hair growth and give your hair a neat and polished appearance. 6. Protect from sun and UV rays. Just like our skin, our hair can be damaged by harmful UV rays. Protect your hair by wearing a hat or using products with UV filters. Consider leave-in conditioners or hair oils with SPF to shield your hair from the sun's damaging effects. 7. Choose gentle hair accessories. Avoid using hair accessories with sharp edges or those that can snag and pull on your hair. Opt for soft scrunchies, silk or satin hair ties, or hair clips with smooth surfaces to minimize hair breakage. 8. Eat a balanced diet and hydrate. Healthy hair starts from within. Ensure you have a well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins to support hair health. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water, as dehydration can affect the moisture levels of your hair. Conclusion: taking care of your hair is essential to maintain its health, strength, and luster. By following these tips to protect your hair from damage caused by heat styling, chemical treatments, environmental factors, and other harmful practices, you can enjoy beautiful and vibrant hair. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Implement these practices into your hair care routine and enjoy the benefits of strong, resilient, and gorgeous locks. Thanks for joining today's vlog, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our channel. For more videos, kindly subscribe the channel.